Pandemonium. We have left Bend. I love that city. It's just a fun town. We are going through Crescent Pass. We just passed Crescent City, and we are headed to Eugene, which is about 87 miles from here. So we should be there in about an hour and a half, around there depending. I'm going about 55 miles an hour. I have my cruise control working, thank God. It was just a tube that made it not work, so a vacuum tube. But Scotty had noticed it and we fixed it, so I just cut the tube shorter and it works, so I'm not having to press my gas. Cruise control is awesome. This is a pretty neat pass. It's beautiful. Hopefully it's not too hilly. About 45 miles an hour around this curve. Alright, well, I guess I will see you when we get into Eugene. Well, that wasn't too far. We ended up pulling over because there was some lava formations on the other side of the road. So we want to take a quick look at them. There's a trail there, but it looks more like an off-road vehicle trail. And there they are, the lava hills. Lava! Lava is everywhere. Wow, look at the bright green moss growing on the tree. Isn't that cool? It's a nice clear day. The sun is out. Here's the trail I was talking about. Seems to go straight to the lava hills. Look at the new growth of the pine. Little baby pines. Ooh, butterfly. Every time I see Butte, I always think of butt. Odal butt. Moo-moo, you need to go pee-pee? Come on. Alright, go. Go pee-pee. Good girl. Or smell around. So, I guess this goes to Odal Butte Lookout, but there's no public vehicle access. The grade on this isn't that bad since it goes all the way up the hill. No, I don't have bear spray. I'm just going to this sign. Why, is there bears here?
We're in bear country.
Well, I know we're in bear country.
Hairspray. He thought I said hairspray.
Yeah, I got hairspray, but not bear spray. Since there's no public vehicle access, I'm not sure if there's camping allowed, if you have to hike up there, but there's fire restrictions. There's no campfires, no fire grills, but the gas grills are okay. Moo-moo, you smelling around? Smell it, smell it! It says it's 6.7 miles to the gate, so there is a gate. But there's no public vehicle access. Can you walk up it? So what do you think? It's a fire lookout, you said?
Well, that's what I'm thinking. Maybe it's for fire lookout.
Right.
I'm not sure.
Moo-moo, what you doing?
I mean, it's kind of odd that there's a lookout, but we can't go there.
Right.
And there's something.
What you jumping on me for? Alright, get inside. Let's get back on the road. Alright, time to continue on. Onward Bound. Let's go! Miles per hour on this path is pretty slow. It's about 40, 45 because it's so windy, but we only have a mile left of Crescent Pass and then we get on to 58 West. 7% grade downhill. Oh, there's a stop sign coming up, probably half a mile. Here is our intersection, Oak Ridge, 37 miles. We are getting on 58 West. And I believe this leads all the way to Eugene and Interstate 5. 72 miles. We've been talking about actually finding a spot here, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. If we see something, we'll just pull over. Entering Crescent Lake. This is Crescent Lake area. Alright, this is Crescent Lake, and there's a store right here, so we'll stop. Where am I gonna pull? I'll just pull up here. Looks like a busy store. Broasted chicken. What does broasted mean? Broasted. It's like roasted, but broasted. Alright, this is perfect because I don't think this store's open. It says for rent, so we'll just stop here, walk over. So it's definitely busy here. We just saw 2 huge busloads of kids. So they must be going to go have some activities down there. So, yep, definitely pass. So there's Guy's Killer Barbecue in Manly's. So Manly. And Crescent Lake is 2 miles in that direction. Also the resort there. Wow, this place must be very popular. Terry and Scott just noticed the sign. All the campgrounds here are full. Every single one. And we don't have internet here to check and see if there's anything on freecampsites.net. So I guess we're just gonna continue on. There is one campground here, or RV park, and it's completely full too. Wow, it's packed in there. Hoodoo's Crescent Junction RV Park. Definitely a beautiful area. If you can see through the trees, that's Marion's Peak.
The other lake is coming up a little bit. You'll see it on the left-hand side.
Yeah, I see it on my GPS. Odal Lake East Access. It's definitely a beautiful area here. And the lake, another lake is coming up. It should be on the left side. Not sure if we can.
Camping there.
Here it is right here. We turned into Odal Lake area. Just gonna keep on going on. See if we can run into Odal Lake. About a half a mile up the road. Wow, what a beautiful spot, but unfortunately it says reservation only. So, are you gonna check and see if they have any openings and what it is?
Yeah, I'm just gonna ask.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna walk down to the lake. This is freaking beautiful. Look at that. They do have a boat launch over there as well. I think you have to pay for that. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful this is. Amazing.